morning everyone. Today is the 20th of December and we are going to Thomson Nature Park. Where is Thomson Nature Park? No, this is not. Okay, so we have our friends here. Say hi Gabby. And we have Jamie and we have Rachel, our usual guest vlogger. Today we're supposed to meet at 9:30. Guess what time Gabby came?
It was
9:45. Smack. But what's the question? Can those fungus be eaten? You want to do a cooking video and alarm clock! Good morning, Gabby. Gabby.
Oh my god.
Is this recording?
Yes.
Name and shame. Nah. What's the word? How are you hoping for me? Mary Poppins. Where's the chicken?